Good afternoon, everyone. Jonathan Davis here with Davis AutoSports. Excited to offer you guys, as you'll see in this video, an absolutely gorgeous 2023 McLaren 720S Performance Spider with just 11,000 original and documented miles. This is a full, authentic RYFT car. We'll go over all the upgrades here in this video, as well as the listing on our website at davisautosports.com. And if you are viewing this on YouTube, make sure to go directly to our website for a lot more information on the car. Full front clip of the car is all expelled PPF, along with a few other panels on the car. Starting off on the cosmetic side of things, full RYFT front bumper, RYFT headlight bezels, all the carbon on the entire car is all authentic RYFT. Suspension has also been upgraded with Novatec. Also has 765 accumulators done as well. Absolutely beautiful paint, carbon mirrors, 360 camera as well. Car has close to 150 grand in upgrades. We'll get into the performance stuff here in a moment. If you're unfamiliar with RYFT, you can go to the website. The front bumpers, 8 or 9 grand. Side skirts, same thing. Rear bumper, about the same price. Even have the very rare carbon fiber duck insert right here. You rarely see that on these. As I touched on, 765 accumulators, Novatec suspension. Car is just absolutely beautiful. Paint is as beautiful as you're gonna get. Full RYFT rear as well. Full carbon everywhere. This has also been upgraded to carbon as well. Rear air brake works absolutely perfect. Get into the performance in a moment, but while we're back here, full RYFT titanium exhaust. Also has RYFT downpipes, pure turbo inlets, M Engineering Stage 2 Plus, which is 5 tunes, injectors, a few other goodies. This has Wiseco blow-off valves as well, which sound really good on this car. carbon. These sold probably 30, 40, 720s in the last year and a half. And I don't think we've had any in with that insert. Very rare. You see the carbon is in truly beautiful condition. This is all reflections that you're seeing right there. All those lines are all reflections. Pirelli P0 tires have a ton of tread as well. This paint outside is absolutely gorgeous. Give you a shot of the other three wheels close up as well. No paint coming off the calipers. Let me go ahead and give you a shot of the wheels. Once again, check out the caliper. All the exposed lenses are tinted as well. Take a look at the tread. Tons of tread. Caliper's perfect. Car doesn't have a single dent on it or ding. Sorry about that, it's not focusing. There we go. That's your front camera as well. Obviously carbon tub, and this does have the carbon exposed pillars as well. This is a performance package car. You have all your interior LED lighting, red contrast stitching, your Apatera. This whole bottom panel is PPF'd as well. Part of your performance is your red engine light as well. This does have 5 tunes. All the information on all the additional work done to this, plus a recent service by us, will be on our website. We service McLarens here. If you go to our website, like I mentioned, we probably sold 30 plus in the last year and a half. We've rebuilt engines here, upgrades, modifications, everything. We have an MDS McLaren software system. So we'll put in the listing everything that we've done to the car. Doors function absolutely perfect. Convertible spider top works perfect as well. So one of the few Spider convertible exotics that actually looks just as good with the top down as it does with the top up. I mean, I don't think there's anything comparable. I mean, the Huracans aren't even close. The car is just as gorgeous, top up or down. All right, guys, here we are in the drivability video. Zero warning lights, no check engine lights. We are on Tune 2 right now out of the 5. There will be a list of the tunes and what they are on the website as well. The current tune is a lower octane with a pop right now. Essentially, you have 2 octanes with pop, without, and then you have a 109 or E85. I got to double check. As mentioned, aero and air brake work perfectly. One of the best sounding McLarens, obviously, with the titanium exhaust intake. Even the pure turbo inlets, they breathe in more air, and you can really hear the difference with a 720 with and without those. Zero drone. I mean, it almost sounds stock when you're at 2100 RPM, just steady on the gas. We do have some state troopers that are always up here, so we'll hang out for a second. Low RPMs, these things with 30% throttle, they just pull so hard. We can't do too much on this road right here. There's state troopers everywhere. We got about another 2 miles on this road before we hit the highway. So I'm going to end this video and I'll start a new one once we hit the highway. you guys see, this car literally performs flawlessly. Every aspect. Car sounds amazing. As you see, it tracks completely straight. If you guys have any questions, 855-955-3377. Thank you.